Fast and easy how to activate the secure folder of the file application so you can hide your files. All you have to go is in the files application. This is one, and here is the option save folder. The first time you're gonna enter here, you're gonna activate it. Enter here and you're gonna be asked to put a pin or pattern. So let's put a pattern. It's the easiest way for me. Next, let's put it 2 times. Next, got it. Okay, and now we have created our secure folder, and we must enter it with the pin or pattern we have made. And if you want to move something to that, all you have to do, maybe I want to move some apps. Let me see what is here. I'm gonna go and put the 3 dots, and no, it's not an option here. So if you have a download option, you're gonna find it and enter the 3 dots, and then you can select hide in the secure folder. That's all you have to do. And if you want to hide the secure folder, enter here the 3 pins and hide the secure folder. That's all you have to do. Remember to subscribe, give me some bucks, some pennies, some coins if the video was good for you, and thank you.